guys, welcome back to my channel Eternal Bliss. How are you all doing? Uh, Welcome again to this video. And can you see that this look? Today I'll be showing you this look only, and this is with the dark lip. This is the autumn fall makeup tutorial, and here in this weather I was liking to put the dark lip, and so I just did this makeup look, and I really like it. Do tell me in the comment section if you like it or not, and please, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and like it, share it, and do comment down below. And if you are new to my channel, then yes, subscribe to karna hi hai. But if you are already with me and you are with my YouTube family, then enjoy this video and tell me what products you like. If you like the look or not, then I want to hear it from you. So now let's start the video, and I'll show you how I got this look. So let's get started. So alright guys, first thing, I've already prepped my skin. So now I'm applying the primer, and the primer I'm using is from Smashbox. Don't worry, all the products will be linked down below in the description box, so don't worry about that. So now I'll be applying this primer. This primer is very nice. It just blurs out your pores and makes your skin very smooth. So I'm applying it the areas where I have little bit of pores on my cheeks, and then your fingers, as I always say, that are your best friend. So I'm applying it with my fingers. I'm pressing the product into my skin so that I get a very good smooth look, and always press it, don't drag it. So because if you'll drag it, the product will not work. So this is how I am applying it. And I'm applying it generously. So don't worry about that. Always apply a good amount of product, and that's it. So now we'll move on to the foundation. And so I'm using this foundation from L'Oreal. This is my favorite foundation. I am a dry skin type, so I really like foundations which give me very hydrating and glowy look. So this is the one, and बहुत dewy look देता है ये foundation. It's a very nice foundation. So it's a light to medium coverage foundation. Yes, if you want, you can build it up, but I really like a very natural look and very go-to look. I don't like heavy coverage and a very heavy look. So I've taken one pump, and that is enough for me. And again, I will mention my shade. It's a Rose Vanilla in this foundation. It's a True Match foundation, and I will definitely link it down below. So I'm just dotting it down on my face and also on my neck. Don't forget your neck. I always say that. So and then I will take my beauty blender, and then I will blend it in the dab dab motion. And you know, I always say it, always dab your foundation, don't drag it, because in this way your skin will also hurt, and your foundation will not be like very nice. So I'm just dabbing it, and guys, take your time. आपका base अच्छा होगा, then everything will look very nice. Your highlighter, your blush, if your base is very nice, then above that everything looks amazing. So always take care of your base, always give time to your base. So I'm just giving so much of time. I'm dabbing the product, I'm pressing the product in my skin so that it looks flawless, and it will look very nice and glowing. Festivals pe everybody wants to look glowing, and not only on festivals, I think every time you want to look glowing and very nice. It should be glow within. So I'm taking little bit more and just putting it under my eyes because I am not using concealer for this look. I think foundation is fine. So again, I'm using my beauty blender and dabbing it under my eyes very nicely so that the product also goes very nicely, plus seamless look lage. So see, look at that. I'm already glowing and I really like it. Natural look, no makeup look लग रहा है बिल्कुल. And also I don't use powder because I am a dry skin type. I really don't want to use powder because it makes my face little bit dry, and I do not crease under my eyes much, so I'm not using it today. Maybe in some other look I will show you my powder. So I've also done my eyebrows and I use the NYX brow pencil, and it is a very good pencil, guys. If you want to get it, you can get it from Nykaa, and it's a very nice pencil. It just gives very good eyebrows. Again, I do my eyebrows very naturally, not very harsh lines and anything. So now I'm doing little bit of contour. I don't know, today I wanted to do it. So I'm using this Hoola bronzer, and this is a very nice zara sa low, and it is so pigmented. See, and I always take it on the high point, like आपकी cheekbones जो होती हैं वहाँ से you started, and I only take it little bit, and I also will contour my nose because I really like it. And don't drag your contour बहुत नीचे, because then it will not look nice. It will give a very harsh line, and you want your face to look lifted. So agar if you want your face to look like lifted, so always just put the way I have put the product and blend it out. एंड जब ब्लेंड करो तो बाहर की साइड ब्लेंड करो, थोड़ा सा नीचे ले आओ, बट इनिशियली उसको लाइन को ऊपर ही रहने दो, नॉट पुट इट लाइक, डू नॉट ड्रैग इट डाउन below the cheeks. So this is how I'm blending it. I have used a very light contour. I don't want very heavy contour as well. So look at that, chiseled cheekbones, है ना? So my, again, for all of these steps I'm using my beauty blender. I really like it. Beauty blender से सारा काम हो जाता है. I don't have to use brushes, different types of brushes. Only for eyes maybe one or two brushes, but not for everything. So it is like simple. So my nose contour is also done, and my nose is looking very nice, sleek. So now I'll be moving on to my eyeshadow, and for this look I'm doing a very simple eyeshadow look, guys. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to have any palette or anything. This is the eyeshadow stick from K Beauty by Katrina, and this is the color. I will mention it in the description box. It is Blushed Moon, I guess. Very nice color, very bronzy and bronze and pink mix color है. So I'm just putting it on my lid, all over my lid, and बहुत easily blend हो जाता है ये. See, so just putting it all over my lid, and so that my whole lid is covered, and the color looks very nice. क्योंकि today I'm doing the dark lip, so this color was perfectly matching it, and I really liked it. Same thing I'm doing it for the another eye. मुझे ये बहुत simple लगा. See, look at that. It's looking nice. And I'm also blending the whole like color on my lid through this blending brush. इससे क्या होगा कि everything will be blended and it will look very seamless, flawless and very nice, and it'll look together. So easily I'm using this brush and blending it. Again guys, I always say if you're blending your eyeshadows, take time and see, मैंने जो ब्रश पकड़ा हुआ है वो काफ़ी दूर से पकड़ा है, बिकॉज उससे आपकी आईलिड्स पे प्रेशर जो होगा वो बहुत कम पड़ेगा. सो इन दिस वे बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड होगा. सो ऑलवेज टेक केयर ऑफ दीज स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स, बिकॉज दीज स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स मैटर्स, और उसी से आपका लुक बहुत प्यारा लगता है लास्ट में. So I'm done with it, and I will also take that color in my lower lash line as well. जो भी brush पे है हल्का सा, I'll just put it on my lower lash line. I've done it, and look at that, I'm looking pretty. Yo. So now my favorite part, my blush. Blush is very important guys. You have to look like you are glowing, you are blushing from within. So blush तो बहुत ज़रूरी है. So again I'm taking this blush trio पता नहीं, but हाँ L'Oreal का है, I'll mention it. It's a very nice blush. Pink tones हैं इसमें and I really like it. Instant color आ जाता है and ऐसा लगता है किसी ने आपके गाल पकड़ के ना मस्त कुची को किया है, तभी इतना प्यारा आ रहा है कलर, और लगता ही नहीं कि ब्लश लगाया हुआ है. इट लुक्स लाइक विद इन से ही ग्लो आ रहा है, विद इन ही लाइक ब्लड अच्छे से सर्कुलेट हो रहा है चीक्स पर. सो एंड ब्लश इज़ नेवर इनफ फॉर मी. मैं बस डिप करती रहती हूँ अपना ब्रश until I am just satisfied fully. I always put blush on my nose as well because I really like it. वो बहुत together लगता है, तो try करना, it'll look very nice. So now highlighter लगाऊंगी, but I forgot my mascara. So let me put mascara first. So for mascara I'm using again my favorite Flower Beauty mascara. बहुत ही मस्त मस्कारा है ये. इट गिव्स माई लैशेज सो मच ऑफ लेंथ एंड वॉल्यूम, एंड प्लस this one is washable one. I'm not using the like waterproof. See my lashes, amazing. So now we'll move on to the highlighter part, and for this I'm using a new highlighter. This is from L'Oreal. It's the Le Bar blush collection, and guys, blinding highlighter है ये. I really like it. I was not expecting this from this highlighter when I bought it, and now see, my nose is shining, my cheeks are shining, everything is shining. Also I'm wearing this little bit of off shoulder top, so thought of putting some highlighter on my collarbones, which are not so much visible, but yes, कोई बात नहीं, फिर भी लगाएंगे, and it looks great. So highlighter तो मज़ा आ गया मुझे. And now the very very exciting part is my lip shade. My lip shade is beautiful guys. मैंने इसे ख़रीदा और मेरा मन कर रहा था मैं तभी लगा लूँ, but I wanted to make this look for you guys. So ये भी बिल्कुल न्यू है and I'm just applying it first time. इतना beautiful कलर है, autumn, fall, winters वाला कलर. Plum कलर है, बिल्कुल dark plum कलर, and the shade is eye captivate. Okay, so look is complete. Thank you for watching.